In an announcement by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association on 14th April 2022, the state will be hosting the 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship, which is all set to begin on Monday in the city. It is anticipated that hundreds of India's best table tennis players will be taking part in the championship. The mega event that will take place at the Sports Authority of India's Indoor Training Centre on the Northeastern Hill University campus will witness the participation of paddlers in the likes of MANIKA, BATRA, SATHIYAN, GNANASEKARAN, SUTIRTHA, MUKHERJEE and ACHANTA, SHARATH, KAMAL. In the meanwhile, 14 players will be fielded by Meghalaya, including Northeast Olympics 2018 gold medalist TANUSHREE GUPTA. 450 paddlers plus another 200 coaches, Table Tennis Federation of India officials and others will be arriving in the state capital for the event. The selection of the national table tennis team will be based on performances in the championship.
This is the 83rd National Table Tennis Championship, and this is the largest ever tournament held ever in the history of table tennis in the country. In this tournament, we'll be having 39 teams. And we'll be having it's 35 teams.
No, 39 men's teams.
39 men's teams and 35 women's teams. And we'll be having the participants of about 600 in all. And all arrangements has been made for their accommodations. And these accommodations are spread all over the city. And then we have made all security arrangements as well. We have met the SP, we have met the DC, and in fact they are taking up the matter on their own for the arrangements in terms of security as well as for traffic as well. And we have met the SP traffic. And what I can say is the response has been very good, and everyone has been very enthusiastic about this tournament. And all the Olympians, all the national players who represented India in teams abroad will be participating in this tournament. And after this tournament, we will be having that is on the 26th, after the finals on the 25th, we will be having a major event in Tura as well, which is as per the request of our Honorable Chief Minister. He wanted a kind of an exhibition match in Tura. So we will be having a match in Tura on the 26th. So the players will be going from here, about 4 national players, 2 men and 2 women, and they'll be playing in Tura on the 26th.
And stadium work is going on this morning. Early in the morning, 5 o'clock, the truck from the road has arrived with the 21 tables and arenas. Mat we have organized, but still working because the stadium is in a dilapidated condition, so we've been repairing that. It's a huge task. Overnight, that people are working. Otherwise, everything we are all set to go. Tomorrow, the chief referee will be arriving tomorrow to oversee everything from Delhi. And day after tomorrow, the tournament director will be arriving from Chennai, Mr. Ganeshan.